Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily Doodles for you. And today I'm going to show you how to draw the character Clawroline from the new Kirby game, Kirby in the Forgotten Land. So let's see, I'm going to start drawing Clawroline with the eyes. So I'm going to do a line like this. So this is, we're starting the eyelash here now. She's got a real big eyelash and upper lid. It's pretty dramatic. Almost like there's eyeliner on it. And from here, I'm gonna go down and over. And then do a line like that and come on up. Now inside that, I'm going to do a circle and then just a little kind of squiggly shape. And then the inside of that we can do dark, except for that circle and that little squiggly shape, like that. And now starting like right here, I'm going to come all the way there and come down like that. And now we're going to do a rounded shape. And now we're going to give it a little bit of space and do the other eye. So I'm going to start like right here. And we're going to swoop up. So we're starting same as we did with the other eye. I'm just starting with that upper lash line. And I'm going to thicken that up. And then kind of color that in dark. And then I'm going to draw the bottom part and come on up. And now we need the inside. So same as we did over here, I'm just going to put it in this eye. And then color in the rest all dark. All right, and so right here, doing a rounded shape, and we're coming on up and bringing it over. All right, so we got the eyes almost on, but here I'm going to make this part a little bit thicker, and this part here a little bit thicker. Just make it a little darker. Okay, so now maybe about right here, I'm going to do a little nose, which is just like a little soft triangle shape. And right here, I'm going to draw the beginning of her mouth. So we're going to curve on up. And then curve on out like that. And then do the bottom of the mouth. So she's kind of got like a little smile here. And now I'm gonna start on the shape of her head. So I'm gonna start right here over by the eye that we first drew. And I'm gonna lightly sketch up, up, up. And she's got a pretty big head. I'm gonna make a curve right here. And I'm going to come down this way and do an ear. And over here, I'm going to start on the other ear. So I'm going to come on up and then come on down and then do a little shape Oh, sorry, I apologize if you can hear my dogs in the background. They're playing outside the room, so you might hear a few barks. All right, so I'm gonna curve down like that. So right here at the top of this ear, I'm gonna come on down and connect it to that line. And now I'm gonna do a little line right there and do that side of her face right there. And right here, we're gonna come on out this way and give her a little bit of cheek fluff, some cheek fur. It's gonna kind of end right here at the bottom of her mouth. And we can try to do the same over on the other side. Just give a little bit of cheek fluff and bring it on in. And right here in between the eyes, I'm going to do a little curve and then continue that line coming on down here and bring it down here as well. This part of her face is going to be different from this color. And right here, we're going to make a little line like that. And bring the line up here. So we kind of go, woo, like a little roller coaster. And I'm going to do some little spots. She's got some brown spots. So I'm going to make a little funny shape right there. And do another one right here. And right here. And kind of put them all over. And put one right here. And right there. And inside these two, I'm going to put a lighter color brown. She's got a few spots that are kind of like that too. I'll put one here. And on the other side. You can kind of put them wherever, really. But right here, and right here, and then in between that, I'm going to put one of those lighter colored ones. And same with right here. So we'll see that now after when I'm doing the coloring. Okay, so now we are going to do, she's got a bit of fluffy fur here on the chest. So we got a little bit of fluff and bring it on down. So it's just one big floofy part. And we're going to bring down her arm. And she's very thin arms. And draw a line coming inward. She's got a little tiny waist too. But her legs are a lot bigger. And draw a line coming out this way. And draw a little line coming in there. And then we can bring up that line. And bring up this one, and that's going to be white, whereas the rest of her is going to be kind of that golden yellowish color with her spots. So right here attached to that arm, of course, we need a hand, and I'm going to start with a little rounded shape like that. And now I'm going to put like a sharp triangle on the on this part right here. So that's going to be a sharp claw, and I'm going to draw a little line like that and connect it. And right here, we're going to do another rounded shape, and another one, and another one. And let's do some more of those little pointy triangle claws. And then I'm going to do a circle on each one of these little paw pads, fingers, whatever you call them. And one here for like the palm. Alrighty, so now let's continue going right here with the leg. And bring it on down. Like that. So it's a bit of a funny shape. And right here, we're going to go down like that because her back leg is in behind this one. And we're going to do that same little heel and bring it down. And I'm going to do a little line like that, kind of a curvy, wiggly line. And she needs a tail. So I'm bringing this line up here. And I'm making it thicker here at the top. And bringing it back to where we started. And I'm going to make kind of a squiggly line at the top there too. And she needs another arm. Like that. And of course a hand. So one of those rounded shapes. Another one. Another one. Another one. And so we've got another paw. And we're going to do the same thing we did with the other one with the triangles for the little claws. And the little circles here for like the paw pad on the inside of her hand. All right, so now I'm going to add in some more spots. Just kind of throwing them in all over the place. And just kind of all over here. Some on the arm. And leg. And the other leg. And of course, other arm. And a little couple here on the foot. All right, so I'm going to start coloring. All right, everyone, so we are finished our drawing. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope you had fun, and I hope you have an awesome day, and I hope to see you here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. All right, everybody, goodbye.